I'm not about fight like this. I swear. I don't go.
Give me Geba, what is happening here?
I should be asking you now.
Well, what do we know? Let us go. You know nothing.
But wait. This is not supposed to be happening.
My brother, let us just leave this thing and go. In a million, the landlord kind of.
Let's see. Be careful.
You know Benda, you know go see Aba.
Okay, wait. Because we are in Aba, then everybody should be going around and be beating people. Is that what you want to tell me?
My brother, leave this thing. Let us go.
I will teach this on like a fat and oil. I will teach him a lesson.
We need a million bukavu.
Aziza, because of what? See, let me tell you. What
are you doing outside? You should be outside.
Hey! Come on! What will you do?
Cut!
What will you do?
What's going on here?
What's been of this rubbish, man?
Young man, who are you?
What's been of this rubbish?
You say they're wise.
He did for me. What are you from? He was an actor. I'm a fellow actor now. Hello. Hi.
No.